Hello, so in this video we're changing the engine air filter on this little Renault Clio. So start by removing these two bolts here and here using a 10mm bit. So next unclip this hose from this bit here and then grab a hold of this tab at the back, and then this will then enable you to tilt this box bit back like this. You don't need to completely take it off. Once it's tilted back like this, you can simply grab a hold of the old filter and pull it out like so. So next, grab your new filter and being gentle and careful and taking as much time as you need to so as not to damage it, put it back into place where the old one came out, like that. Take your time to make sure it's all seated properly. That one wasn't, for example, just then, but now it's looking okay. And then carefully push this top bit of the cover back on all the time, keeping a careful eye to make sure the filter is all seated correctly and it's not getting pinched anywhere in a way that it shouldn't. And then simply put these bolts back on and clip this bit of hose back into place. And that's it, it's done.